Greetings from Kotak Mutual Fund. I hope you and your family is safe in these challenging times. Like one should not put all eggs in one basket, one should not put all investments in one market cap bucket. Kotak Multicap Fund provides exposure to Triveni Sangam of large, mid and small cap stocks. It gives you the power of all in one. This fund provides the right mix of large cap, mid cap and small cap stocks that are expected to work as a dream team to create winning opportunities. History shows that returns of large, mid and small cap differs over time. The risk also differs over time. Sometimes large cap does well and sometimes small cap performs. It will be appropriate to have a balanced allocation to large, mid and small cap stocks. At Kotak Mutual Fund, we have added value to our investors by outperforming benchmark indices regularly across most time periods in our small cap, mid cap and large cap equity fund. This value add is visible not only in lump sum investments but also systematic investment plans. We are thankful to our investors and partners for reposing their trust and confidence in Kotak Mutual Fund. Our AUM have grown almost 7 times equity assets in under 6 years. This would not have been possible without your support. Tahe dil se shukriya for the same. We hope to receive the same trust and support for our latest offering, Kotak Multicap Fund. This fund is the Triveni Sangam of large, mid and small cap stocks, carefully selected through our disciplined investment process. We are looking to invest in right businesses, run by good management and available at good valuations. This fund will allocate minimum 25% each in large, mid and small cap stocks. The balance 25% will be allocated opportunistically in either of the 3 capitalization with the help of our proprietary model for optimizing risk-adjusted return. Our proprietary model will guide us on which market cap to overweight. It is based on 2 primary factors, that is mean reversion, which suggests when exactly to go overweight a particular market cap, and momentum, which will essentially suggest the duration of the overweight. The fund manager will consider the suggested results to build a portfolio. Our stock selection ability will aim to further enhance the potential returns. The number of stocks in the portfolio will be dependent on the size of the fund and the overweight positions. For example, if we are overweight small cap, it is likely that the number of stocks will increase in the portfolio to manage liquidity risk and impact cost. The backtesting results of the model shows that it has outperformed both the broad market, that is Nifty 500, as well as the benchmark Nifty Multicap 500 in most years from 2007 till recent past. For our large cap allocation, we want to focus on the economic revival post the pandemic. The endeavor will be to identify performers in sectors that are expected to benefit from bigger trends like financialization of Indian economy, outsourcing, the huge demographic dividend that India offers, and also the revival of industrial capex. Financialization of savings is a long-term trend aided by financial awareness created by people like you. Indian talent creates cost savings, faster delivery and better solutions in sectors like technology and pharma. Private investment, which has remained on the back foot for last few years, we anticipate a massive investment cycle led by both the government and the private sector over the next few years. Steel, cement, engineering sector is leading the revival in private sector capex. On the other hand, in mid and small caps, our focus will be to invest with entrepreneurs who have a vision, who have execution capability, and who will walk on the path of good governance. There are multiple opportunities offered under themes like Atmanirbhar Bharat, rural and agri sector, real estate, and home improvement, and opening up of cities post-COVID. Production-linked incentive scheme is creating similar growth opportunities like Y2K created in tech sector or generic drugs created in pharma sector. Contract manufacturers in electricals, mobile phones and electronics etc. are becoming part of global supply chain management. In the chemical sector, we are witnessing multi-year, multi-million dollar contracts being awarded. Auto and auto ancillary sector is reaching global scale with our two-wheelers and motor cars roaming around the world. Agro-processing will provide great opportunity in the years to come as India has become the 10th largest agri-exporter. Work from home, low interest rates on housing loans, higher affordability and progressive regulation like RERA will create rapid growth in the real estate sector. With vaccination, we pray that the third wave will not hinder economic activities and sectors like retail and leisure will provide opportunities. Kotak Multicap Fund can be considered for such long-term financial goals such as your daughter's education, your son's marriage, your retirement, or for buying your dream home in the medium term. But please remember that equity markets give kabhi khushi or kabhi gum. Today's good returns in equity funds are available to only those investors who have borne the pain of meltdown in March 20. Volatility and negative returns are part and parcel of the equity market. Teji and Mandi happens in market as regularly Poonam and Amas. We recommend discipline of asset allocation and patience of long-term investment to our investors so that their returns are similar to our fund's return. We look forward to your participation in Kotak Multicap Fund, whose NFO is opening on 8th of September and closing on 22nd of September 2021. It will be Sone Pe Suhaga if you can invest via systematic investment plan in this fund. Many investors who are worried about the valuation and near-term volatility of the market can look to invest in this fund on a long-term basis. This fund will look to invest in the market in a calibrated manner depending upon the valuation and near-term momentum of the market. Like always, we look forward to your participation in the Kotak Multicap Fund. Happy investing. Stay safe. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.